Hi, I'm Jeannie Allman, President of the Youth Target Foundation. As a labor of love, and because we love David and Miriam Niederer, we are responsible for the trappers and scorekeepers that will actually do the work for our 2015 National Sporting Clay Association South Central Regional Championships. The numbers of the stations are down the left side of the card. So if you are the scorekeeper on Station 6, you will only keep score on line 6. So that means if you're the first station where the shooters are shooting, you're going to go all the way down to the 6 and start keeping the score on the 6, and we would score across the card from left to right. Standardly, the way that we do this is when the shooter calls pull and the bird comes out, it's a clay target, and they shoot it and break it. We call that a dead bird. It will be recorded on the scorecard as a slash that goes diagonally in the little square. That's how we record a dead bird. If in fact the shooter calls pull, the target comes out, and they do not hit the target, that's a lost bird, and the universal insignia is a goose egg, a 0 in the square. There are two types of pairs. We have what we call a report pair, which means one target after the other. There will be two buttons, an A button and a B button. The shooter will call pull, the target will come out, and they will break it. When you hear the gun go off, you will push the second button. The shooter will not call pull again. That is a report pair. The second type of pair, less common but a little easier, is a true pair. When the shooter calls pull, you will push one button and both targets will come out at the same time. We're going to talk again about the two types of pairs. So the shooter calls pull, and you are pulling a report station, which means one after the other you'll have two buttons. Shooter calls pull and hits the first target, you push the button, and the second target comes out and he hits that one too. That would be a dead pair, which means both birds have been hit. But transversely, if he misses both targets, that's called a lost pair. If he hits the first target and misses the second target, that is dead lost. If he misses the first target and hits the second target, that is lost dead. We want you to speak audibly and call out each pair as the shooter shoots them, because you and the shooter need to agree on the score. When you get the scorecards, you're going to see that all target patterns are thrown in twos. So we are going to pretend that you are the puller on Station 3. Station 3 is actually a 8-target station, which means 4 pairs. So you can see here that they hit the first pair, so that would be dead a pair. They missed the second pair, that would be lost a pair. On the third pair, they hit the first one and missed the second one, so that's dead, lost. On the fourth pair, they missed the first one and hit the second one, so that is lost, dead. Then I'm going to total up 1, 2, 3, 4 targets, place the 4 there, and not to forget to put your initials on the scorecard. In case there's any question or problem, we're going to know which puller was actually on that station so that we can resolve any issues. So here's how the no bird process works. Calls pull, the target comes out and they break it. And when the second target comes out, there's something wrong with it. That would mean that the shooter must shoot the whole pair over. They, however, have established that they broke the first bird and they get to keep it. They will shoot it again as a pair. The first bird does not count because that's already been shot. The second bird would be what you're looking for. That is the process for a no bird call on a report pair. We'll see you tomorrow. I will be there all 5 days, and make sure that you get lots of really great food to answer any questions, to help you. You will be given restroom breaks throughout the day. We will provide lots of liquid to drink and a great lunch each day. We're excited. Thank you so much for saying yes.